Hello, today I'll be sharing the demonstration on the project of alarm clock using ATmega32A microcontroller. So these are my group mates and my name is Sun Yu and my group mates are Ping Han and Yuan. So basically I'll start with the hardware component overview. Basically these are the components we use in our project, and then however I'll break down into parts of the components usage. First of all, our alarm clock relies on the power of the ATmega32A microcontroller. Here this one. And then this chip acts as a 16-bit timer, allowing us to measure and keep track of the time. So to enhance the accuracy, we put a 11.0592 megahertz crystal here, and this is important as the crystal's frequency is used to generate the interrupts. So the interrupts are used to update the clock's time regularly. And the hardware also includes a 16 times 2 LCD, so it's for user interaction, and there are buttons for control, and additional components are like resistors, capacitors, and a buzzer. So basically the buzzer here, you can see there's a buzzer here. It will beep when it reaches the time we adjusted. So now I'll continue with the software component overview. So this is our code. Okay, quite messy, quite long. Then the program basically it begins by configuring the necessary registers here, and then we'll be also specifying the direction of the ports. So basically we use DDR-A, and then DDR-B and DDR-D. And then there will be also the timer settings here, TCC R1B, OCR1A, and then the SEI here. So this one is important as this is a command to generate the interrupt. In our project, we uses the increment in second, minute, and hour to ensure for the timekeeping for timer. So in our project, we also use the send command function, send character, and send a string. Basically, the send command function, this sending command function are for the display for LCD lah. So the sending character and sending string here is like for the display of character and the numbering on the LCD display. So it can be seen here, here, the sending character and the sending string lah. So now we'll continue to a main loop, and then this is our main loop. So the main loop here, it will continuously display the current time on the LCD in the format of hour, minute, and then second. So this one will be shown in the hardware demonstration later. And then there is a while loop here. So the while loop basically when we turn on the alarm clock, the while loop is an infinity loop, as this while loop will make the timer to continuously running. So the while loop could be mean as a main execution of our program and so this is for the hour, minute, and then of this part will be shown in the hardware demonstration later because it's for the display function. And then now we'll go to the M. So this is still in a while loop. It's a long loop, infinity loop. And then there's a interrupt here. So in hour, minute, and second. And then there's a void command. So these are for the display on the LCD. And then that's all for the program. So we'll continue with our hardware demonstration.
So this is our alarm clock system. For this switch, I can change the alarm clock to off. As shown here, it's become off. I can turn back on. So for here, we are adjusting the clock. For this one is to add a minute. You can show here, the minute had increased to 2 minutes. And this one is to decrease the minute. From 3 become 2. Then for this switch is to increase the hour to 1 and 2. And this one is to decrease the hour. So to let it work, I can switch it back to alarm and I increase the hour and increase the minute. So now the clock will start to count down to 10 seconds until it reaches the same with the alarm. When it reaches the same, the buzzer will sound.